In a quiet village, a mysterious waterfall was said to whisper secrets. Curious, Max and Lily ventured there. "Do you hear that?" Max asked, leaning closer. "It's saying something." Lily giggled. "Sounds like it's ordering pizza." Suddenly, a voice boomed, "Extra cheese, please." Startled, they looked around. A mischievous parrot perched above, mimicking the villagers' orders. "Well, that's one way to get a slice of life," Max laughed. The parrot squawked, "Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us." They left chuckling as the waterfall continued its culinary whispers.